Let's see your repair work there, Terry. Oh crap, that looks A1.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nobody will ever see them wrinkles at 60 miles an hour.
Should have used your tape instead of that one, though.
Not noticeable.
I know.
Jeez, it's coming straight at me.
Yeah. Coming from that way.
Huh?
Coming from that way.
No.
Or that way.
Yeah.
So yeah, you'd want to
You want to
launch over there.
walk out there?
Yeah. Now it's died again.
You don't need wind. It's overrated. There we go. That was smooth.
Hope mine is smooth. A little bit of zoom, maybe.
Yeah, got a little. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna walk down here to launch her.
Hey, Wayne.
Hey. Heat anyway. Every day, because this week seems to be cold. Last 2 or 3 weeks on the track. Oh yeah? The frost. No, the frost is cold.
Bring the fly, Wayne.
That little Sukhoi.
Are you gonna try flying that again?
Yeah, it's not too windy today.
Yeah, that'll fly great today.
We had it the other day.
I'm surprised he's not here.
Yeah, well, he'll be here tomorrow.
It's not gonna be good flying weather tomorrow, I don't think.
Yeah. Am I going to stop you? Never had.
She flies inverted.
Nice.
Still flies as good as she did.
And it makes 2 buffer overflows.
Really?
Something's wrong. Memory card must be full.
No, I need to talk to the memory card.
Yeah.
This resolution.
Good. Last year, remember we had trouble with batteries there? It was cutting out. Terry gave you, huh?
That?
Where?
Yes. We haven't flown it yet though. It's too windy. The day that we brought it after it was fixed. Yeah, I got it going. He had the wires upside down in the receiver, Wayne. He said he researched it.
I knew something was wrong because
Yeah.
the server wasn't doing anything.
Alright, I'm coming in. I don't have much flight time. Wait a minute. That's my radio. I got 4 minutes left.
I can keep the candy. Interference.
Yeah, I got a spectrograph. I only paid $15 for that Kenny.
Got a spectrograph. He's going to check to see if the field's haunted.
Yeah.
No, I'm not crashing today.
Yeah, there looked like, hope there was much more separation between the two of you than what it looked like. At least it would be an even fight.
Yeah.
Wing versus wing.
Wouldn't be a bully beaver
No.
beating up on a person.
Yeah, well, I figured you would have just basically deboweled my beaver with that propeller,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
but it didn't.